Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry, these mosquitoes are killing me out here. Today we are at Lake Higanza State Park doing my first 24-hour solo camp along with Richard. He is joining us for this adventure. So I am excited. We're gonna do some cooking, hopefully go out and do some fishing, maybe wait till it's a little cooler because boy is it hot out here. So I'm excited to see you guys here. Let's go. All right, car is packed up. Mr. Richard's coming on the party here. He says, hello everybody. Time for an adventure, right? He doesn't like the car, so we gotta make it do. That's okay. Let's get the keys out, buddy. Stay here. Ice cream. We're gonna get some ice cream before because it is really hot out. Oh. Buddy, you're sitting on them. You're sitting on them. Okay. Yeah. Okay. He has to sit on the lap. All right. Let us get rolling. Here we go. Let's go get our ice cream, buddy, huh? Want a puff cup? I know, it's hot. All right. We'll see you guys there. Recording. All right. We're here at Lake Higanza State Park. We just gotta go get a state pass here, state park pass. Office is closed, so they have you use these little stations that work pretty good because it just prints the pass right out for you. So we're gonna do that quick and get to our site. We made it. We made it out here. Look at this beautiful site. It's big. No electric. That's exactly what I want. So turn you guys around and show you. Look at all this shade, which is perfect because it's so hot out. This is gonna be awesome. So stoked. So let's get to unpacking. Oh, there's a lot of bugs out here. Good thing I got stuff for that. All right, I got the tent set up, but the ground over here is really hard. I also just need to take a breath because it is hot out here. Good thing it's cloudy now and there's shade. Train. So I'm gonna move the tent down into here beyond these trees over here. I think won't have an issue pounding it in down here. Nice under these trees down here, so. I'm gonna move the tent and get it down here and finish getting it set up. We should be getting golden. All right, I got the tent moved. Richard was a good helper. We're gonna take a minute and just get a water break so we're not overdoing ourselves here. So I'm gonna get something to drink and keep moving and finish getting the tent, get all of our stuff in there, and we should be good to go. Tell you, these bugs are something else out here. Holy cow. Richard, here. What are you doing? You have to stay over here, bub. Thank you. See, have fun. This inflatable pillow from Amazon. I'm gonna test it out. I think it'll work good. All right, Rich. Guess these don't come zipped up. That's silly. Stay here. You can see something. I'd love to know how many times I've been bit already. Come on. There we go. Let's zip her up, bud. I think that'll do. Huh? Let's show them. There we go. I think it looks good in there. Plenty of room. Yeah. What do you think, Richard? Good? All right. You want to go fishing? Adventure? Let's get to it. I love this site. I'd definitely come back here. All right, we made it over here to the other side of the park. We had to drive all the way over here to go fishing. It's quite a ways. We're way on one end of the park and the fishing area is way on the other end. So here is Lake Higanza. Not too windy today. Just over there is the dam area. We're on a pier, so I think we're gonna get casting. Alright, we'll use a little bit of wacky rig action here. I have no idea what is over here, so we're winging it. Here's a little rocky, that's for sure. Eee. Weedy. We moved locations. There's quite a bit of wind out here. I'm not 100% sure how this is gonna go, but we can keep trying. I might walk to the dam that's just over there. Richard apparently loves the breeze, so he's enjoying it, but yeah, let's see. Might as well give her a shot, right, bud? The wind is just coming right at us, which makes it difficult to cast and everything. So so much weeds over here, man. It's not very fun. Richard. Goodness, we're gonna get caught on stuff, buddy. All right, go ahead. So excited. All right, mark your territory in a log. This way. This is a path that connects the boat launch to the dam area. So, hey, stay on the trail. We're gonna walk back this way. I think hop in the car and go around. There's just so much to trudge through over there. Also a lot of ticks, so we're gonna play it safe. Come on, Richard, out of the way. You gotta get out of the way. People are gonna load in boats. We are back from fishing. We didn't catch anything, but that's okay. It was kind of windy out there, and we just want to sit and enjoy our campsite. Probably start cooking up some steak soon. Get Richard fed, and we're gonna have a great night. So I look forward to it. All right, I got myself a very yummy fresh ribeye here, and we're gonna cook up tonight here on this little single burner propane stove. So let's get some Kinder's The Blend seasoning on it. It's just gonna be salt, pepper, and garlic. I love Kinder's. Also, a lot of it's gluten-free, so that's even better. But this is gonna be amazing. All right, let's season this bad boy up. Stay over here, Richard. Get her set up and rolling. This thing gets so hot. Come on. There we go. She's getting real hot. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be juicy. Richard, we're not going in the tent yet. Apparently he wants to go in the tent. Not going in there yet, buddy. He's also getting bugs, so. Let's go. It's gonna fall apart off the bone. It's gonna be so good. I have beans too, and I forgot a can opener, so I had to use my knife. We'll see how that's gonna work, but gotta do what you gotta do when you're out here and you don't have a lot of stuff. Make her work, right, Richard? Make her work, buddy. Oh, she's sizzling. Give you guys to take a look at this yummy ribeye. Oh, it smells good. Site's looking great. All right, I think this is just about done. What do you guys think? It's gonna be good. All right, let's see here, and we're gonna attempt to get the beans. We'll see how that works out. She's a sizzling. Ooh. That's gonna be good. Let's put some beans in there. See how that goes. Maybe you can get them out of here. My knife cut job didn't work out very well. We're gonna make it work. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Oh, there's not too much knife particles in there. I'll kill you, right? Let's let those bad boys warm up. Get a spoon out here. What we got over there in the woods, Richard? Thought maybe it was a deer. Alright. Let's take the first bite of this. Ooh, she's hot. Cheers to the great outdoors. I'm weird. I like ketchup with my steak. A lot of people say that's wrong, but that's how I like it. That's alright. All this good fat just comes off. Oh yeah, she's pulling apart. This is gonna be good. I'm gonna take a minute and enjoy this. And the beans are almost done getting heated up, so we're gonna eat and continue with our night. All right, got all freshened up. I feel better. The mosquitoes are insane. I'm dousing myself in mosquito repellent. I think we're just gonna hang out tonight. We got a fire going. It's nice out. Have some little sweet treats here. Fun fact, only 3 grams of sugar per whole bag. Very good, and they're plant-based. And have a sports drink and wind down for the night, so. Well, we are in the tent right now. He really wanted to come in here and lay down. He's pretty tired. Also, the bugs are making me go insane out here. I couldn't even tell you how many layers I've put on of bug spray. It's nice to have relief from the bugs. It feels great in here. Perfect size. So we're just gonna hang out and maybe watch a movie and then call it a night. So we will see you all in the morning. I think I've lost my spot for the night. Richard has taken my spot. And he is digging himself his bed. So I guess I get the hard floor. Richard? I guess so.
Good morning, guys. Well, gotta say, last night was a little rough. A lot of trains, a lot of airplanes. It's a lot of random noises, but Richard was worried about catching bugs, so overall, it was good. So let's see, get up and get outside and see what everything looks like. So
Alright guys, I got the camp all packed up. We're gonna get out of here before it starts raining and storming today. So if you made it to this end of the video, thank you, love ya. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It's free, and we will see you guys on the next adventure.